Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video I will show you really quickly how you can upload your CV or job resume on Indeed. For example, if you're looking for or applying for a specific job on the job market here on Indeed. So in the first step, head over to Indeed.com and log into your account. And on your home screen, guys, you will be given the opportunity to post or to upload your resume. So to do that, click on that button here. It only takes a few seconds according to that disclaimer here, which is true. I have tested it myself. So click on that button. On the next page, decide whether you would like to give your potential employers the opportunity to find your profile here on Indeed or not. The recommended option is that one here above, so I will go with that one. Click on Save here. And after that, simply click on that button here, Upload Resume, to add your job resume to your profile on Indeed. So let me do that really quickly. Locate your job resume on your computer. For example, if you saved it in PDF or JPEG format, and upload it to your profile here on Indeed. Wait for a couple of seconds. And there you go. As you can see, it has been successfully uploaded to my profile here on Indeed, so that my potential employers may see it and may assess if I'm a good fit for the job or not. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.